Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new unboxing. I hope you're having a great week. Happy Thursday. It's Lindsay here with another ThredUP box for tonight. If you're new here, I am a part-time reseller here on YouTube and also Poshmark, and I post mystery unboxing videos on Mondays and Thursdays at 8 p.m. Eastern. So today we do have a fun box to open. I just wanted to keep it kind of simple. I'm recording this actually on New Year's Eve, right after the purse box that I opened, which was awesome. So hopefully this will be just as good. I think I've had this box sitting around for quite a while also. I will be out of pocket next week and traveling, so I'm not going to have any content on Monday or Thursday next week, unfortunately. It's just going to be too difficult to respond to emails because I do like to offer items for sale during the videos. So there will be no content next week, but I will follow back up on Monday. Whatever that date is, will be Martin Luther King Day on that Monday. This month is just really flying by already, even though it's New Year's Eve right now. I can just tell January is going to be going by so fast. So I will see you back then on Martin Luther King Day. So for now, we are going to open our fun box. This is super light, and all the boxes are coming from Mechanicsburg. I believe it was that way all of 2025. It's been a while since they came from somewhere else. And this did have an invoice, so we'll see when it was ordered. I haven't had it as long as I really thought I did, but it's been a while. I ordered it on May 27th. So these do run $34 plus tax and $9.99 shipping for 10 items. And it's just random. Sometimes they're themed and other times they're not. And we'll get a first look at the box. And it looks like mine might be themed, kind of black and gold. And I'll just take a quick thumbnail and we'll get started. I will be offering items for sale during the video. So if there's anything from the box you would like to purchase, just make sure you send me an email and I'll get you out a PayPal invoice. And I'm not leaving until Sunday, so I'll definitely be able to get it shipped out before I go. So first up, we do have a hat, and I don't know what this brand is. It is really long, and I would probably butcher the pronunciation. So this is faux fur, but it is really soft. And it does say, let's see, it does have the branding on the outside as well. So it is really nice. It's a bucket hat, very, very soft. And then it does have the kind of satiny lining. So that is nice, and definitely something that could be used this time of year. So that's good. I will see if I can find out anything about that brand and I'll put that on the screen. But I'm happy with that item. And we do have a bra next. And actually there's earrings that are attached to it that do not go. So we'll look at those next. Just get that moved. So this is Skims, okay. That's great. This is a 34 double D in black onyx. And it is a very light padding, and there is underwire. So it looks like it might have just a slight amount of push up. And it just needs to be kind of lint rolled, but otherwise it looks, you know, brand new like it is with the tag. So I will look that one up as well. It is called the T-shirt demi bra. Fits everybody, size 34 double D, Skims. So that's awesome. Very happy with that. I love selling bras. And our next piece looks like a purse strap. And this is a black and white, and then there's the gold metallic striped, and then almost like a rose gold hardware. And there is a separate little D-ring there if you want to attach an accessory. And I don't see a brand on this one, even though it's got this, but that might have been from the retail store. But you definitely have to check these over. Sometimes they do include name brand purse straps in these boxes. I've gotten Claire V before, which is fabulous. But I do not see a branding on this one, but it's super nice. We'll do $6 on that one. That is a good piece. And here are the earrings that were attached with the bra. And these are a Minnie Mouse. And these are actually marked. And I believe they just say Disney. I don't have my magnifier over here, so I'll double check that. But these almost look like they could be a shell, and then there's enamel, and then she's got a rhinestone bow. These look really nice. And they are a decent size. They're not overly heavy. There's the backers on there. So those are fabulous. I'm going to look those up because I can't read the full back, and I will put a price on the screen, but those are awesome. So far between these items, I think I would almost make my money back on the box, and we still have more to go. So we do have an assortment of little pouches. This one is kind of like a burlap material, and then it's got the star design. And there are some pouches on the inside. So let's see, this one does have a brand. It's Mud Pie, and it is 100% jute, spot clean only. So just a nice little pouch to put in your tote or something like that. We'll do 5 on that one. That is nice and in very good condition. And we have this one. It is a pure hemp, 100% hemp, THC free, made in Nepal. And it's called Snakes and Shanty, Love is the Answer. It's got that little patch on it with a wristlet strap. And there's a zip pocket in the back. And the inside looks really clean. So we'll do $5 on that one also. That's got these little beads on the bottom. So that's an interesting piece. And then we do have something new on the card here. This is Merlapi Journey, Real Artist, Real Leather. So this is really cool. It is a little pouch. You could use it as a compact wallet, a card case, a key holder. It doesn't look like there's any slip pockets in there, but it is a blue and then the red and tan. And here's some information. Thank you for purchasing this item, which helps support me as an Australian Indigenous artist and also helps keep an age-old handmade leather craft alive. My art depicts the journeys in life we take that ultimately lead us home where we belong. Over time, this individually handcrafted item will stand out in a world of mass-produced goods and become more personal by growing in beauty and character. I love that. Designed in Australia, made in India. So that is a really special piece. I will look that up and put a price on the screen, but I think that's exactly right. This is a unique piece that will stand out over time. So I love that. So what an amazing box. And we even have a brooch. And this is super pretty. I don't believe there's a marking on it. It's silver tone. The roller ball is working. But yeah, I don't see a maker on this one. And I just want to check over the stones, but it is gorgeous. There are pink and red stones. A nice flower with the petals, beautiful, and a nice size. We'll do $5 on that one. That is gorgeous. So absolutely love that. And we already looked at those 2 pouches. That was probably from the earrings. We still have quite a bit more to go through. These are Gex, women's large flats. These look like no-show socks, but I'm not 100% sure. I will look that up and put a price on the screen. But it looks like they have some kind of like tread on the bottom. So I'm going to see what I can find out about those. And if I need to open them, I will put that on the screen, a picture. But I'm going to see if I can find it out without opening them. So it just says women's large flats. So that's an interesting piece. And we have some tights here. They are open just on the side, but I think it just split open. It doesn't look like they've ever been used. These are Leg Avenue. They are one size, fit 90 to 160 pounds. And they are a fishnet, stay-up spandex, lace top, thigh highs with a back seam. And they were originally $15. So those are awesome. These type of items always sell well. Not for a lot, but they definitely sell over time, at least on Poshmark. So we'll do $5 on those. And see, we have some hair accessories. And we do have a denim kind of turban style top knot headband. And this one does have a tag on it, but there's no branding. But it looks to be well made. That is really nice. We'll do $3 on that one. And then this is a really massive rhinestone scrunchie. And this is designer. This is Alice and Olivia. Oh my gosh. This is a black crystal. It just says black crystal, I guess, for the color. And it is $65 MSRP. Alice and Olivia by Stacy Bendon. And this is a beautiful piece. And it has a lot of weight to it. So that is amazing. Very, very happy with this one. I'm going to look up comps on that and I'll put a price on the screen. And I think we're down to our last item. And I think this is a belt. And this is cute. It's got all these celestial suns on there. And it's just a little bit twisted. See if we can get a look at this. So this is a chain belt with these suns, and it goes this way. So there's the 5 suns and then the 2 chains that dangle below it. And then you have the clasp here. And then this would loop around the waist and connect. And it does have a little sun hang tag. I don't see any branding on this, and it definitely shows wear, so it could be a vintage item. I will try to give that a Google Lens, and I'll also put a measurement, but it looks like it's generously sized. But that would be so pretty with a dress. So I will see what I can find out about that. It's pretty adjustable. You can really attach it anywhere along the chain. So I will put a maximum length on there. But there is a bit of wear on the metal, but a really cool piece. So this was an amazing box. We had the sun chain belt for one. Very unique item. We had the Alice and Olivia new with tag huge scrunchie for number 2. 3, we had the denim headband for the Leg Avenue. 5, we had the women's large flats. 6, we had the artisanal little mini wallet. We had the brooch, which I will put back in a bag. I've already lost count, of course, but love that brooch. And then we had the 2 little pouches. We'll just do both of these for $8 if anybody would like both of those. So those were nice. We had the Skims bra, which was fantastic. We had the faux fur bucket hat. We had the Minnie Mouse earrings, which are absolutely adorable. And we had the purse strap. So I am really thrilled with this one. This is the best fun box that I've opened in quite a while. So I am very, very excited to look into these items. Thank you so much for watching tonight. I will miss posting next week. I will be gone. We're going to Vegas. I usually go twice a year. This is when they have their 10-time tier credits for Caesars. So we're going to be hanging out over there for a week. But I will be back on the following Monday for you with a brand new unboxing, and I'm sure we'll be getting into some jewelry then. So take care, and I will see you back soon. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up on your way out.